Hello everyone, my name is Zoe. I'm so proud that I chose Rapid Restore Roofing to do the roof job. You can see I have a big roof. It's about 7,500 square feet. At first time, I was nervous whether I can afford the job or not. The material company introduced Joseph company to me, and he gave me the reasonable price, and he introduced me how we do the 4 different shapes of the material put on my roof. We live in a strict village. The village guy has to interview the roofing company. So after talking with Joseph, they were so satisfied with his performance and his explanation. During the 1 month installation, he performed professionally, efficiently, and he helped me fix the big leaking problem around the chimney. If I would recommend to my friends, I would give them 10. I think choosing Rapid Restore Roofing will make your dream come true. Thank you.